Security guards are used in a variety of positions and situations. As you probably know by now, how to protect your business is not a decision to be made lightly. One of the places that security guards are most effective is in a factory setting. You may think this is a no-brainer, but factory security guarding, sometimes known as industrial security guarding, is a service that is important to look into. Safety of production and distribution areas is of top priority. So what does a factory security guard do? This is region security guarding with what you need to know. Why factories need security guards. A factory may not be as public-facing as a retail building or a public service building, for example. However, that doesn't mean security guards in a factory setting won't deal with their fair share of people. Engineers, technicians, HR and more. This means factory security guards need to be well versed in conflict resolution, the unique factory requirements of workplace safety, and may need training beyond the boundaries of guarding, say, an abandoned or vacant property. Factories are full of life. Your security guard should integrate well with that lively and sometimes frenetic atmosphere, because factories are not just your asset, but a driving force of industry and need to be protected. Factories. Handle with care. Factories often possess expensive and innovative equipment with which to complete their work. These machines and the factory workers go hand in hand, and some projects are impossible to complete without them. They can cost an eye-watering amount. Overall, they're a worthwhile investment, but not if they are damaged or taken away due to crime. Security guards can help prevent vandalism and theft. Activity doesn't just occur at night. Security professionals will notice people scoping out the factory for crime. Security guards who work in potentially unsafe environments definitely need safety training. They cannot put themselves or others in danger whilst guarding the factory. Security guards should be an asset, not a hindrance. Heavy machinery, tripping hazards and chemical spills are just some of the possibilities that could occur in a factory setting, and everyone working there needs to be prepared for them. Multiple sites. Factories are often one part of a business operation, an important part, but just one nevertheless. A company wanting to streamline its operation might do well to invest in both mobile security services and static security services. It is important to keep on top of possible entryways to crime, so building a cohesive team is a must from prototype to product. All the moving parts need to be in sync with each other, like the cogs of a well-oiled machine. Just like with the rest of your business dealings, you need everyone to be on the same page when it comes to the ins and outs of your plan for security. By utilising mobile patrols, you can cover multiple sites with expert care and precision. With static security guards on location in a factory, you can zero in on key vulnerabilities in your security system. With these elements working together in harmony, you can rest assured that your business will be protected. Communicating effectively with both teams is also important, meaning security guard tracking equipment must be up to date. For more information on this, check out our previous video. How do you monitor a security guard? Working the night shift. People working a night shift at a factory may feel uncomfortable walking to their car or other preferred mode of transport at the end of it. Factory security guards can come in handy by escorting their more vulnerable or at-risk employees to a safer environment. Find out more. If you want to find out more about the services we can provide you, request a quote from us today. And make sure to check out our page on factory security guarding. We wish you the best of luck with your search for the factory security that suits you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.